So then take a look at the KEFEYA triple screen laptop screen extender. So it does come with a nice carrying pouch. And we got a pouch on the front so we can put our accessories in there. You can see we got a kickstand so we can stand this up by itself. We got a little quick start guide on the side. We got our ports right here on the back. Those are both USB-C. On the right side we got our power, and that is also a toggle wheel. And we got our charging port right there. So that's what's going to make this one stand out against other extenders, is that this actually has backup power. So instead of plugging this into your laptop and then running the battery down on the laptop, this will actually be able to power itself. For a 15-inch screen, that actually looks larger than that. Can see that the center can spread apart to accommodate different sizes of laptops, and it has these little plastic hooks right here so that can lock right to the display of the laptop. It is a neat carbon fiber looking texture there on it, and this style is fairly unique in that it does not have any ports on the displays itself. All of the ports are right here on the back. Here we have our manual, and that is full color, and it says we got our power bank right there, so that is actually underneath all of this. So here is our power bank. You can see this is going to attach with a magnet. A very interesting little graphic there on the back, and then we got our contacts right there on the top, and it says that is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. On the top we got our power button, we got a USB-C port and a USB-A port. So it looks like we could actually just use this as an independent power bank, so we don't even have to use this with the extender if we don't want to. But it's nice having this as a backup option. All we have to do, yeah, it just sticks on there, holds on no problem. And it appears this comes with a 75% charge. We also have our quick start guide. We have two USB-C to USB-C cables, and I like seeing that they actually have those right angle adapters on there so we don't have to worry about those cables sticking out and getting in the way of our mouse. We have a USB-C to HDMI, so if you have a laptop that is not capable of outputting through USB-C, but it does have an HDMI port, we can still use this extender with that. You will need power for it, so you can use the power bank, or we got this cable right here, USB-C to USB-A, we can use that for power. And then we also got this guy, so this is the H5T, they call this a USB data to video signal conversion cable. So you can see that will go USB-C to either USB-C, or you can take the adapter off and even plug that into USB-A. It says, please use this H5 hub when your laptop does not support dual screen extended. So they really give you a ton of different options for connecting this to your laptop. So with our power bank attached, I'm going to turn this on, and we can see that powers up without being plugged into literally anything. So that is pretty cool. Very interesting design for a laptop screen extender. Yeah, that actually works pretty well, so I didn't really have to use the kickstand, providing that the hinge on the laptop is strong enough. On this one, it definitely is, so that's good. So I'll plug into port 1, and we'll plug that into the laptop. Okay, so port 1 is the right side, and we'll plug into port 2, and I'll plug that into the left side. Okay, so I did pick those up right away. So it looks like we are duplicating on this screen and we are extending on this screen. So let's right click, go to display settings, and we're going to go to extend desktop on 1 and 3. Keep changes. All right, so identify. That is exactly how we got it. So we got 1 in the middle, 2 on the left, 3 on the right. So I can take this, I can drag it over here, or I can drag it over here. So I got a full 3 display on this laptop now. So there we go. We can watch some of my videos over here. I can edit over here. I can even use that as a way of watching the program monitor. Do some work over here, just open other files. That is a very nice setup. So overall, I'm happy with that.